Okay, let's get right into it here. First, you want to grab yourself some cleaning solution. This is Purple Power Acetic Cleaning Solution for automobiles. I have some tools there, Phillips flathead, and a brush. Next, you want to go ahead and flip the unit to its bottom. Start by unscrewing this big screw here, and you want to go ahead and remove the base of the unit. So when you do that, you put the unit back upright and pull it straight up. Set that aside. Next, you want to go ahead and set aside your filter assembly. I'm not going to be dealing with this unless your filter is dirty, then you'll change what is required. Next, you want to go ahead and start off by cleaning the base of the unit. Brush off any loose debris, okay? Both top and bottom. After you do that, the next step you want to do is to start by brushing your cleaning solution all over the base, top and bottom, so you can loosen up all that grime. Then you want to start by prying the top portion of this Honeywell handle. I jam a flathead screwdriver on the corner there and work my way through. Be very careful because you can snap off the tabs like I did in this video. But this is fine because I'm keeping this unit. Okay, the next thing you want to do after you do that is to start by removing these 4 Phillips screws which holds the lower portion of the handle. This is also holding the black plastic cover here, as you can see, which is what I'm trying to work towards removing. So you first have to remove this portion, set that aside. Okay, then you can start by working your way so you can remove the control panel here. I jam a flathead screwdriver on the side and kind of wiggle my way so I can loosen up the tabs here, as you can see, and be careful not to snap off these tabs like I said. Now you want to go ahead and just kind of move this panel to the side because you want to take off the last 2 Phillips screws which holds this black piece of cover here. I need to get this off to get to the internals of the system here. So go ahead and get these 2 screws off, set those aside so you don't lose them now. Then you want to go ahead and hang that control panel to the other side and just go ahead and get this panel off, put that to the side. We're going to clean this later when we start cleaning everything else, okay? Then the next thing you want to do here is you want to remove the 6 remaining Phillips screws which holds the bottom portion of that cover off, and go ahead and just drape that over to the side. As you can see here, I'm draping that to the side. Next, you want to work this air propeller off of the motor shaft. You can kind of start by dusting off the area, get some of the larger crud off of there, but what I want to do is start by working off this retainer here. There's some tabs and you want to bend the ones, the 2 tabs, you want to bend those outwards, the 2 tabs that are on the flat portion of the output shaft. Bend those 2 tabs forward. Then you want to slowly pry this retainer up. So you want to work your way all around. Just go ahead and turn the air propeller all around so you can go ahead and try to pry every corner of this retainer here. Some WD-40 would have been helpful. Whoops, don't lose this retainer now. Very important. Set that aside. Now you want to go ahead and try to remove this L propeller from the shaft here. Like I said, some WD-40 would have been helpful. Hey, look, I got it off. So let's go ahead and set this aside. We're going to need to clean that later using our acetic solution there. Very powerful stuff for removing grease. And now you want to go ahead and probably just brush off some of the larger debris. But the most important thing first, though, is cover up this motor. So what I do is I take a large plastic bag. Any bag would do, Ziploc. Go ahead and put it over there and tie it up very good. Then you can go ahead and start by cleaning everything there using your Purple Power solution. After that, the assembly is just a reversal, so you can go ahead and play the video in reverse. And now I'm going to get to the final product here, guys. This is what we're talking about. Everything is working great, as you can see. It's very clean. It smells very good. The fan works very strong, and the system is working like brand new. So this is how you revitalize your Honeywell 5250 air purifier. Thank you, and subscribe, and please give me a thumbs up.